I'm out and about today, but before I left, I whipped up a delicious little batch of energy balls to keep me going throughout the day, because I'm just weaving and bimbling a bit, just touring along the coast and watching the waves, and I wanted something to sustain me throughout the day. So I took some figs, dried figs, almonds, maca powder, and also a lovely sweet carob powder as well. So that's all it takes, and I just blended them up nicely in a food processor. Maca, and the reason I put maca in there is because I like to weave that into my cuisine on a regular basis. It's an adaptogenic food. It helps stabilize and balance the hormones, the endocrine system. It helps us find a sense of balance. It's really, really powerful for helping against stress, whether it's mental, physical or emotional. It's a really good, and I've written about that, so I'll leave a link for that for you. But I just wanted to show you how I made these. Super simple. It's a great thing to put in your lunchbox, take for hikes with you, or just nibble throughout the day so that you know that you're getting an infusion of something super healthy, superfood, and great. They've got a lovely little crunch to them, thanks to the figs and the almonds. I think you're gonna like them. So if you like what you see, please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, or come visit my website kindearth.net, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.